Good morning to all. In this video, let us understand what is the meaning of memory pointer and M register in 8085 microprocessor. Normally, we use this memory pointer in many of our programming, assembly language programming in 8085, like LXI X, 4123H. So which means that whenever this instruction is executed, H will take the value of 41 and L take the value of 23. So let us arrange like this so that we can understand. So once the instruction is executed, H will take the content of 41, L will take the content of 23. But M is the register which takes the content of this address. So what is the address? 4123 is an address of the memory location. What is the content of this address? Is nothing but 25. So M automatically takes the value of 25. So that is the beauty of this memory pointer. So which means I am incrementing the register pair HL. Now the HL become 41 and it is 24. Isn't it? So it would be like, now the address is changed to 4124. So automatically the M register take the value of the content of 4124. The content of 4124 is 34. So automatically 34 is loaded in M register. So by means of this memory pointer, we can keep on changing the content of HL register pair so that accordingly M register is also changing its data. So now when I move this, let us say move A, M. So what is the content of accumulator now? So now accumulator takes, which take that accumulator is equal to 34. So that's what we should understand. You just say, hey, it is not working as a thing. I think we will put it like this. So accumulator is equal to 34 because M register is having a 34. Okay, fine. So next one, when we are incrementing this twice, INX H, once again INX H. So now the memory pointer is incremented 2 times. Now it is having 41 and 26. So here it is 4125. So automatically M register is changed to 47 here. This is changed to 55. So 25, 56. Now when we are moving the same thing, MOV C, M. Now what will happen? M is equal to, now C register is equal to 55H. That's all we can understand from the memory pointer. So here it is used to access the data sequentially. Either sequentially, or if you wanted to access the first data and fourth data is also possible. First and fifth is also possible. So in 8-bit addition, 8-bit subtraction and 8-bit multiplication, this LXI H, this address is used so that you can take the data's input datas without changing the, every time we don't need to load the address. Which means normally what we do is we just type LDA, load the content of accumulator like 4123, which means the content of accumulator now is equal to 25H. So every time we have to load the program, load the value from the address, but now it is easy to load only one address and access the data sequentially. That is the advantage of memory pointer. Thanks for watching. Keep connected with me for more such videos. Whatever doubts you have, you can ask me in the comment box.